Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the lesson 23, punctuation. Punctuation marks helps us to understand the meaning of sentence and write correctly. Okay. The pronoun is always written using the capital letter. This one, I ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಪಂಕ್ಚುಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್, ಕಾಮಾ, question mark, exclamation mark. So these things we have to see in this punctuation mark. Rewrite the sentences after adding commas at the right places. Radha, Sudha, Mita and Kriti are neighbors. So you have to put commas wherever necessary. Radha, comma, Sudha, comma, Mita and Vrithi are neighbors. Okay. Next, I want a red ball, a remote controlled car and a note and a book for my birthday. So, I want a red ball, comma, a remote controlled car and a book for my birthday. Okay. Next, that thick black book with many colorful pictures belongs to my father. That thick comma black book with many colorful pictures belongs to my father. Okay. Last year I visited Dehradun, New Delhi and Srinagar. Last year I visited Dehradun, comma, New Delhi and Srinagar. The fairy sprinkled some magic dust on Unni, waved her wand and flew away. The fairy sprinkled some magic dust on Unni, comma, waved her wand and flew away. April, May and June are the hottest months of the year. April, comma, May, April, May and June are the hottest months of the year. Understood? Next, rewrite the sentences using the necessary punctuation marks. Meera and I are good friends. Meera, M capital, and I capital are good friends. Full stop. Okay. Next, Pune, Kolkata and Chennai are important cities. P capital, comma, K capital, Kolkata, and C capital, are important cities. Full stop. Would you like to eat a jam sandwich or a cheese sandwich? W capital. Would you like to eat a jam sandwich or a cheese sandwich? Question mark. Is that a cup or a mug? I capital. Is that a cup or a mug? Question mark. Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati are the main rivers of North India. G capital, comma, Y capital and S capital, Sarah, are the main rivers of N capital, North India. I capital. Full stop. Alas, the king is no more. A capital, exclamation mark, the T capital, is no more. Full stop. My favorite subjects are English and mathematics. M capital, favorite subjects are E capital, English and mathematics, M capital. Full stop. Mount Everest is the highest peak of the Himalayas. M capital, E capital is the peak of the Himalayas. H capital. Full stop. Patna is the capital of Bihar. P capital. C capital. B capital. Full stop. Hooray! India has won the match. H capital. Exclamation mark. I capital. Has won the full stop. Rama and Sheetal attend dance classes. R capital. S capital. Classes. Full stop. How cold it is today. H capital. Exclamation mark. Understood? We finished our 23rd lesson, punctuation. Tomorrow we will see 24th lesson, grammar on the go. Thank you.